Hi everyone, Dr. Oz here. I'm excited to share some delicious and heart-healthy tips with you today. Today, we're talking about a tasty way to keep your heart healthy. Spices. These little wonders are more than just flavor enhancers. Yes, those little jars of flavor in your kitchen are packed with good stuff. They can transform any dish into a culinary delight while boosting your health. They can help your heart stay strong. Spices like turmeric, cinnamon and garlic have been shown to support cardiovascular health. It's like giving your body a mini health boost with every sprinkle. Spices come from plants and they are rich in nutrients and compounds that benefit your body. They have special things in them called antioxidants. These antioxidants help fight off free radicals which can cause damage to your cells. Antioxidants are like superheroes for your cells, protecting them from damage. Including a variety of spices in your diet can help reduce inflammation and improve overall heart function. Ready to learn how to spice up your heart health? Let's go! We'll explore some easy and delicious ways to incorporate these powerful spices into your daily meals. From breakfast to dinner, there's always a way to add a little extra flavor and a lot of health benefits. So grab your favorite spices and join me on this journey to a healthier heart. Remember, small changes can make a big difference. Let's get started. Your heart is incredible. It works 24/7 to pump blood throughout your body. This blood carries oxygen and nutrients to every single cell. Keeping your heart healthy is super important. Sadly, heart disease is a big problem. It's one of the leading causes of death worldwide. The good news is that we can do a lot to prevent it. Eating a healthy diet is a huge step in the right direction. Let's start with a superstar, turmeric. This bright yellow spice is famous for its anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation is linked to many health problems, including heart disease. Turmeric can help calm things down. Curcumin is the special ingredient in turmeric that gives it its power. Studies show that curcumin can help lower bad cholesterol and keep your blood pressure in check. Don't be afraid of a little heat. Cayenne pepper is another spice that can fire up your heart health. It contains capsaicin, the compound that gives peppers their spiciness. Capsaicin can help lower blood pressure, improve blood flow, and even reduce the risk of blood clots. Just a pinch can go a long way. Section 5. Ginger, a zing for your heart. Ginger is a common ingredient in Asian cuisine, known for its zesty flavor and numerous medicinal properties. It can help with digestion, reduce nausea, and even support heart health. Studies suggest that ginger can help lower blood pressure, reduce cholesterol levels, and improve overall blood circulation. Section 6. Garlic, the Aromatic Protector. Garlic is a kitchen staple with a pungent aroma and a powerful punch when it comes to health benefits. It contains a compound called allicin, which has been linked to improved heart health. Garlic can help lower blood pressure, reduce cholesterol levels, and prevent blood clots. Adding it to your meals can add flavor and protect your heart. Section 7. Cinnamon, sweetening the deal for heart health. Cinnamon is a fragrant spice that adds a touch of sweetness to dishes. But did you know it's also good for your heart? Cinnamon can help lower blood sugar levels, which is beneficial for people with diabetes or those at risk. It can also help lower bad cholesterol and triglyceride levels, further protecting your heart. Section 8. Cardamom, an exotic touch for a healthy heart. Cardamom is a spice with a warm, slightly sweet flavor that's often used in Indian and Middle Eastern cuisine. It's rich in antioxidants and has anti-inflammatory properties. Cardamom may help lower blood pressure, improve blood circulation, and protect against heart disease. Add a pinch to your coffee or tea for a flavorful and healthy boost. Section 9. Saffron, adding a touch of luxury to your heart health. Saffron is one of the most expensive spices in the world, but its health benefits make it worth the splurge. This golden spice, often referred to as red gold, has been cherished for centuries not only for its unique flavor and vibrant color, but also for its medicinal properties. It contains potent antioxidants that can protect your heart from damage. These antioxidants, such as crocin and saffronal, help neutralize harmful free radicals in the body, reducing oxidative stress and inflammation, which are key contributors to heart disease. Saffron may help lower blood pressure, reduce cholesterol levels, and improve overall cardiovascular health. Studies have shown that saffron can relax blood vessels, enhancing blood flow and reducing the strain on your heart. Additionally, saffron's anti-inflammatory properties can prevent the formation of blood clots, which are a major risk factor for heart attacks and strokes. By incorporating saffron into your diet, you can enjoy these heart protective benefits. A little goes a long way, so even a pinch can add flavor and health benefits to your dishes. Whether you use it in savory dishes like paella and risotto, or in sweet treats like saffron-infused tea and desserts, this luxurious spice can elevate your culinary creations while supporting your heart health. So, next time you're looking to add a touch of luxury to your meals, consider reaching for saffron. Section 10. Cumin. A dash of flavor, a boost for your heart. Cumin is a warm and earthy spice that's commonly used in Mexican, Indian, and Middle Eastern cuisine. It's a good source of iron, which is essential for healthy blood cells. Cumin may also help lower cholesterol levels, reduce inflammation, and improve blood sugar control. Sprinkle it on roasted vegetables, add it to soups and stews, or use it to flavor rice dishes. Section 11. Coriander. A refreshing addition to your heart-healthy diet. Coriander, also known as cilantro, is a versatile herb with a bright citrusy flavor. Its seeds are used as a spice, adding a warm, slightly lemony flavor to dishes. Coriander may help lower bad cholesterol levels, reduce blood pressure, and improve digestion. Add coriander leaves to salads, salsas, and soups, or use coriander seeds in curries, stews, and marinades. Section 12. Spice up your life one meal at a time. Start small. Begin by exploring the world of spices right in your own kitchen. Try adding a new spice to your meals each week. This simple step can transform your cooking and open up a world of flavors. You can sprinkle cinnamon on your oatmeal, giving it a warm, comforting taste that's perfect for a cozy morning. Add turmeric to your smoothies for a vibrant color and a boost of anti-inflammatory benefits. It's a small change with big health rewards. Or use cumin to season your chicken. This spice adds a rich, earthy flavor that can elevate a simple dish to something extraordinary. Experiment with different flavor combinations. Mix and match spices to discover new tastes and create your own signature dishes. Spices can add depth and complexity to your cooking. They can turn a basic recipe into a culinary masterpiece. Don't be afraid to get creative. The kitchen is your playground, and spices are your tools to craft delicious and unique meals. Make it a family affair. Cooking with spices can be a fun and educational activity for everyone. Get your kids involved in cooking with spices. It's a great way to teach them about different cultures and flavors. It's a fun and healthy way to bond in the kitchen. Sharing these moments can create lasting memories and instill a love for cooking in your children. Visit local spice markets or explore the spice aisle in your grocery store. You'll be amazed at the variety and the potential to enhance your meals. Take the time to smell and taste different spices. Understanding their unique characteristics can help you use them more effectively in your cooking. Remember, the right spice can make all the difference. It can turn an ordinary meal into an extraordinary experience. So, spice up your life one meal at a time. Enjoy the journey of discovering new flavors and making every meal a celebration. Section 13. Join the spice revolution. Start incorporating these amazing spices into your diet today. Your heart will thank you for it. Remember, a pinch of spice a day can keep the doctor away. Now, I want to hear from you. What are your favorite ways to use spices in your cooking? Share your tips and recipes in the comments below. Let's inspire each other to live healthier lives, one delicious meal at a time. Stay healthy, everyone.